A lot of people think about porn as a moral issue, but it is often a health issue, and let me explain why. Basically, what happens when you're an adolescent, your brain totally restructures itself, and it restructures itself from the back of the brain to the front. Well, one of the things you do during adolescence, in addition to social cognition and social dominance and developing a moral code, you also do an understanding and a development of your sexual self. What happens with porn is that your mind is restructuring itself. At the same time, it's structuring its sexual self to a screen, not a person. And in the brain research, whatever fires together, wires together. And if you restructure your sexual self to a screen, then what happens when you get to be an adult and you want to do an in-person relationship, it becomes more difficult and more awkward and more uncomfortable, and your brain is actually wired for an in-screen relationship. If you're not actually able to deal with that and make the adjustments, then what we know is that it eventually leads to social isolation because it's very difficult to form a relationship. And social isolation is more damaging to your health than smoking 15 cigarettes a day. And on the average, you die 10 years younger than your peers. So it is truly, in many ways, a health issue.